Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 99, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Line them and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poldam and then a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
This has one, but it was his grandpa.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear, now just swing right.
Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pokhara.
Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good.
Operatorio hyperdrive.
Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, Nina. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are on.
Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Nenda kuweka assistant country.
Affirmative. Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Prakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
About to get better, huh?
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us. I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, 9-9? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance spies. This ship and everyone on it is now under command of the First Order. You'll head to your right for processing and interrogation. Now get out.
Oh, we get time to take pictures.
Keep moving all the way out, filling all the available space. Keep moving all the way out, filling all the available space. Solo, follow. One, go that way. One, center line, let's go. Solo, then follow. Four, I'll take it.
You're gonna stop right here for a moment.
Let's go.
How many? Blue. Now on your colors inside for eternity.
4 and 4. Doing better.
enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Can't you just take us to Bakar where we're supposed to go?
Press those red buttons to control our... Oh, just kidding, they do nothing.
Couldn't you just take us to Bakar where we're supposed to be going?
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't be caught. Lieutenant Bell will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, be seated with seatbelt securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Fire an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
That's life size.
There they are. Fire!
We're trying.
The escape pod's just below us. Take the way down.
Going down.
No. I said down.
Uh-oh, they see us.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
We're trying.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm. All personnel to their stations.
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Going down. Oh my God, he's trying to go. Can't tell me this wrong. Oh wait, they don't have any stuff here. Oh man.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandoned ship. I repeat, abandoned ship. Destroyers of
Your efforts are wasted. You cannot escape me.
Yes, I can.
Precious resistance is about to be destroyed.
Haha, we beat him. We're here on the way out.
escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Okay, thanks, I guess. You're not gonna
Alright, nice job,
for the trauma we
not what you
have.
signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority.
I like playing
Right,
along,
Brooke?
it's funny.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, staff respond. Thank you.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Scans last showed him in Sector 4.
should have waited for him.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
We never leave anyone behind.
Sir, this is Platoon Resistance Command. The rescue teams are approaching all surrounding sectors.
Okay, and hurry.
Lieutenant back here. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
And that's...
We'll get that door for you.